Next up, we are going to go take a look at products. Again, this is optional, but in adding products, it can assist you with having to put less information in at the time of sale, because even though you will save by clearing your transactions at a target or better interchange level, it does require information to be transmitted with that transaction. So if you have a repeat customer or a very specific product or service that you utilize a lot, it is highly recommended that you go ahead and add that customer and or product. So what you see here is I just created a default shipping one. Let's go ahead and add a new product real quick so you can see how awesome it is. And we are going to call this product Awesome. The manufacturer is, let's call it Willy Wonka, because chocolate is great. We are going to call it chocolate. Product ID, well, it doesn't have one, but general rule of thumb is if there's a blank field for this, you definitely want to fill it in. We don't really need a SKU or a UPC, although we can generate one if we go ahead and add in some characters and some numbers, which is really cool. So this is something that you could scan if you so chose to. There are categories. I'm going to go ahead and select the test one. You can add new categories as you like. A lot of these items are very specific to very specific industries, and again, they may not always apply to you, but sometimes it is a good idea to go ahead and put information in there anyways. It really just does depend on your industry. Units of measure, let's go with ounce, or we can just do the abbreviation. The weight of this is, we're going to say it is 6. Shipping weight, now let's still go with 6. The price, let's say it is $1. Wholesale price, well, let's give them 75 cents. List price, price being what we pay. And then let's put $1.50 here. This is also an inventory system, so you can add items and mark them against inventory if a limited quantity is available. Or you can just leave it as just a standard product. So, or you can make it a virtual product if it were, say, a service versus something physically that you're going to ship. All right. Here you'll notice inventories. You can have various warehouses, how many you have on hand. It's very, very, very detail oriented. You can run your entire business off of this. So let's go ahead and save that again so we can close it out. So now we have 2 lovely little products here.